Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Welcome to my class again. Today, I'll tell you about appropriate preposition. This class is for Alim first year and second year also. Last class you saw there are simple preposition. Those things you all know almost. But today I'll tell you appropriate preposition. This is appropriate preposition. This is part of a preposition. All things are given in your book. That is called appropriate preposition. You all know what is simple preposition that we use everywhere. But as you are reading Alim first year and second year, it is very important for you because almost 10 preposition you will get in your 20 preposition you will get in your exam, and there almost 10 preposition or more than that you will get appropriate preposition. Now come, what is appropriate preposition? There are some words. Look, there are some words, and here are some preposition with these words. But why they are appropriate? Because you have to use this preposition with this word. And if you use here different preposition or other preposition, then this meaning will be changed. So you have to use here this preposition for proper and perfect meaning. And perfect meaning in the sentence also. That's why they are called appropriate preposition. Look here, I write down abide by. What's the meaning in Bengali? Mene chola. But if you write down abide to, then it will be wrong. So you have to know what will be here. Abide with this word, abide by. This is appropriate. So words, how you will use them in the sentence? I shall abide by the rules. So you have to memorize them. No other way without reading. You have to read again and again to remember them. Look, absent from. What's the meaning? Here is absent. You all know what is the meaning of absent. We use this word everyday life, but we don't know what's the preposition will be here. So with absent you will use from. That means অনুপস্থিত থাকা. What how I used here in the sentence, he is absent from the meeting. So you have to remember, with the word absent you have to use preposition from. Now come excess to. What is the word here? Excess. And what is the preposition here? To. So access to means probeshadika in Bengali. So how I used here, we have free access to the principal. And now if you use access of or access for or access from, that all are wrong. So you have to, what you will use here? To. That means probeshadika, access to. But if you write here different preposition, it will be wrong. And that's why it is called appropriate preposition. According to. What is, you know the word according, but which preposition is appropriate here? To. According to means in Bengali, অনুসারে. So how we use here? According to your order, I went there. According to your order, I went there. In this way you have to, this is simple sentence, but in your exam you will get a passage, not simple sentence one or two. You will get a passage, and according to the meaning of the passage, according to the chronology of the line or sentence, you have to use this preposition. Now come addicted. You know this word, all time you hear about it, addicted. But what's the preposition here appropriate? To. Addicted to. Ashokto. He is addicted to wine. Addicted to. Now come admit to. Admit. this word also you know very well what is admit, but you don't know which preposition is appropriate here, that is to. So admit to means bhorti kora. The ball was admitted to class 6. Now afraid, this word also very known, you know all, afraid, but what is the preposition here? Of. Afraid of. What is the meaning? Bhito in Bengali. So I am afraid of him. Apply to. Apply, this also a very known word, you all know apply, but here I wrote two preposition. Look, apply to and apply for. Word is same, but preposition is different. So apply, for different preposition it belongs different meaning. Look, apply to meaning কারো কাছে আবেদন করা, কোনো লোকের কাছে, but apply for কিছুর জন্য. Why you will apply? That is the apply for. কেন তুমি আবেদন করবে? কিছুর জন্য আবেদন করা. Look this sentence. I applied to him for the post. So I applied to him. To him is a person. Why? For the post. So it is when you will use different preposition, it will carry different meaning. That means that's why you have to know where you will use which preposition. So apply to and apply for. Now come, if you use here apply for him to the post, then it will be wrong. Your preposition will not be appropriate and it is wrong and you will not get any marks in the exam. There are many appropriate preposition in your book. I'll suggest you, I'm telling you again and again, please read them and try to remember them. Though there are many, you will read again and again. Then you can remember them, and it is very important because you will get them in your exam. There are many. Look, I am writing another word. Suppose number 10. Belongs to. What is belongs to? অধিকারে থাকা. Something is belong to me. Suppose this book is belong to me. This book is belong to me. That means this book is mine. That is belong to. Okay? In this way you will get many appropriate preposition in your book. I am telling again, please read them and try to memorize them, and you will get almost 80% in your preposition section. You will get in the exam almost 80% appropriate preposition for your exam. So up to this today, dear students, thank you very much. See you again.